Electrox sterilising water is a powerful yet gentle pH-neutral disinfectant that kills over 99% of viruses and bacteria. Disinfecting a room using Electrox is simple and straightforward. You'll need Electrox sterilising water, the fogging machine, and access to water. Have the instruction booklet to hand to tell you how much Electrox is needed for the room you want to fog. It will also tell you if you need to dilute it or if personal protective equipment is required. Measure out the amount of Electrox you need, unscrew the cap on the top of the reservoir and pour it in. Next, if you need to dilute the Electrox, measure out the amount of water required and add that to the fogging machine too. Before you start the fogger, make sure the throttle valve is open by turning it fully anti-clockwise. It's the metal screw on the front of the reservoir. If you need to wear personal protective equipment, put it on before you turn on the fogger. Plug in and turn on the fogging machine using the button on the top of the handle. Point the nozzle upwards and into a clear, open space. When there's a thick stream of fog, adjust the throttle valve by turning it clockwise to produce a light spray. Hold the fogger 1 to 2 meters from the wall, point the fogger towards the wall, and move methodically around the room, spraying everything with a light, even spray. Spray the room from top to bottom, letting the mist fall and decontaminate the air. For large rooms, make sure you fog all the open space evenly. Don't oversaturate areas. If you're fogging a single room, there should be little or no liquid left in the fogger when you've finished. For multiple rooms, keep an eye on the liquid levels to make sure all rooms are fogged evenly. When you've finished, let the mist settle for a good 5 minutes until the fog is no longer visible. Then ventilate the room by opening a window for 2 minutes before allowing people back in. If the room has no ventilation, allow an extra 5 minutes. And there you have it. Your room is now disinfected and ready to be used with complete peace of mind.